Hi, I'm Luke from Beyond the Bean. Today I'm going to be presenting a range of iced tea syrups. We're going to make 5 great tasting drinks that are going to be a great addition to any summer menu. We're going to be using only a small number of ingredients, so these drinks are very simple to make. All of our iced tea syrups are produced using real black tea extract, and the fruit syrups are made using real fruit juice. So first up, we're going to be making a mango iced tea, which uses the Sweetbird iced tea syrup, which has black tea extract in it, and we're also going to be using for this the mango puree. So the purees are a fantastic product to use in iced teas. They add a lot of colour and texture to the drink to really help bring a premium appearance to the drink. All of the purees are approved by the Vegan Society and made with real fruit. So it's a really easy drink to use. So it's going to be 3 pumps of the iced tea and 1 pump of the puree. So it's a really quick and simple drink to make, giving you more time to serve your customers. So cracking on with the drink. First off, we fill a glass with ice. And we're going to add 3 pumps of the iced tea syrup. And 1 pump of the mango puree. Just going to top that one up with water. Best to give it a quick stir just to mix the flavours of the drink together and help the appearance. And we're going to garnish it with a sprig of mint. Sometimes it's better just to crush the mint together a bit before you put it in to let the oils of the mint come out and help the flavour. And there you have it, mango iced tea. So next up is the watermelon and lemon iced tea, which is a really great thirst quencher on those hot summer days. Watermelon syrup is a personal favourite of mine. It's made with real fruit juice and it produces a great colour drink, and the flavourings are just a really realistic watermelon taste. For this drink, we're going to be using the sugar-free lemon iced tea, which is a brand new Sweetbird product for 2022. Consumers are becoming more and more health conscious and aware of the nutritional content of their drinks. So in this case, we're going to use a sugar-free lemon iced tea just to try and bring the overall sugar content of the drink down. So we're going to make this iced tea drink 2 ways. First of all, the regular way with syrup and water, and we're also going to make a frozen iced tea beverage, which opens the door to a whole new range of drinks you can produce using the Sweetbird syrups. So first of all, fill a glass with ice. And for this drink, we're going to use 2 pumps of the sugar-free lemon iced tea and 2 pumps of the watermelon syrup. Now to top that one up with water. As you can see, it's a fantastic colour. And garnish with a slice of lemon. And of course, finish that off with a straw. And there is a watermelon and lemon iced tea. So next up is the crushed ice version of the watermelon and lemon iced tea. So first up, you're going to want a glass and a half full worth of ice. Put that into your BlendTech blender jug. And then add your sugar-free lemon iced tea syrup, 2 pumps, and 2 pumps of the watermelon syrup. And for this one, we're also going to add 2 pumps of the Sweetbird liquid frappe. Put the lid on your BlendTech blender jug. We're going to blend on setting 2 for granita. When that's done, take your jug out, give it a quick shake. And garnish with a slice of lemon. There you have a watermelon and lemon crushed iced tea. Next drink I'm going to be making is a lemon and rose iced tea. So the rose syrup is a new flavour from Sweetbird, which is new to 2022. It's a very versatile flavour which can also be used in a range of other drinks, including rose lemonades. The consumer perception of rose is that it's a very premium ingredient, so it can really help you to boost the profit margins of your drinks. Botanicals as well, we have identified as a key trend for 2022. So let's get on with the making of the drink. Fill a glass with ice about halfway. We're going to add 2 pumps using the sugar-free lemon iced tea again to keep that sugar content down. And 2 pumps of the rose syrup. Top up with water. Give that a quick stir with a straw. And garnish with a slice of lemon. There you have it, a lemon and rose iced tea. And now for a more left field option, we're going to be using matcha powder to make a matcha and lemon iced tea. This drink combines the sugar-free benefits of the lemon iced tea along with the benefits of the matcha powder, so this drink could really interest the health-conscious consumer. It has a very unique colour and provides another use for your matcha stock. So first up, we're going to add the teaspoonful of matcha powder. You're going to want to add a little bit of hot water to mix the matcha into a paste. This just helps the drink to blend better. And then add your ice as normal. Next up, add 3 pumps of the sugar-free lemon iced tea. Top up with cold water. Give that a mix with your straw. And lastly, garnish with a slice of lemon. There you have a lemon and matcha iced tea. So for outside the box option number 2, we're now going to make a citrus and rosemary iced tea. This drink again uses the iced tea syrup as a base, which contains real black tea extract. For this one, we're also going to use orange syrup. 1 pump goes a long way with the orange syrup because it's such a strong flavour, and it's actually made using real juice as well, so that's an added bonus. The rosemary garnish adds aroma to the drink and also ties into that trend of botanicals that we see as being a key trend for 2022. Hibiscus could also work here, so get on with the making of the drink. We're going to add ice to a glass. Add ice, 3 pumps of the iced tea syrup, 1 pump of the orange syrup. Top that one up with water or sparkling water, it's up to you. Give that a quick stir with the straw. And when you take your rosemary, you're going to want to give it a bit of a crush with your hands, just to release some of the oils and flavours, as we mentioned earlier. And also garnish with a slice of orange. And then we have a citrus and rosemary iced tea. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know which was your favourite drink. If you'd like any more information on any of the products we've used today, we've linked them all in the description below, or otherwise just have a look at our website, www.sweetbird.com. Thanks a lot for watching.